Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 1B. So, what is our running topic, sir? Transformation of axis is our running topic. Okay, now. So now we are continuing the classes. Already last class, 3 problems are completed. Next, fourth problem. When the origin is shifted to -1, 2 by the translation of axis. In this question clearly given. Translation of axis is given. That's why we are using translation of axis formula. Okay now. So find the transformed equations of the following. So we are finding which equations are transformed equation. That's why the given equation is which equation? Original equation. Okay now. Given equation is original equation. What are the original variables? Small x comma small y are the original variables. What are the transformed variables? Capital X comma capital Y are the transformed variables. Okay now. Original equation is given. We are finding transformed equation. See here. So solution. First there are two problems are there. Origin shifted point -1, 2 is there. This is the original equation. This is also another original equation. So first we are discussing the first problem. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. See the solutions here. First, origin shifted point. Origin shifted point. Where is the origin shifted point, sir? -1, 2. That is nothing but which one, sir? H, K. Okay, now H, K. So we are finding transformed equations of these equations. That's why given equations are original equations are. Okay now? Here we are writing given original equation is which one, sir? X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Here let capital X comma capital Y are transformed coordinates. Which one, sir? Small x comma small y. Here we have the relation between the transformed coordinates and original coordinates. We have relation is there. Origin shifted point what is there? H, K. This problem refers to translation of axis. Here we know that the relation between the new coordinates and old coordinates. We know that small x is equal to capital X plus H. We know that small x is equal to capital X plus H. Small y is equal to capital Y plus K. Small x is equal to capital X plus H. Small y is equal to capital Y plus K. Okay now? Here this is small x is equal to capital X plus H. H is equal to what is that? -1. Small x is equal to capital X minus 1. H is equal to what is that? -1. Small y is equal to capital Y plus K. Here capital Y we are writing as this plus K is equal to 2. Okay now. So in our original equation we are substituting capital X. This is we are taking the given equation, we are taking equation 1. Or given original equation we are taking equation 1. Substituting small x is equal to x minus 1. Small y is equal to capital Y plus 2. We are substituting in equation 2. We get our required transformed equation. Understand? Here substitute which one, sir? Small x is equal to capital X minus 1. Small y is equal to capital Y plus 2 in equation 1. We get which one, sir? Transformed equation. We get transformed equation. See here what are the transformed variables, sir? Capital X comma capital Y. So this old coordinates we are expressing in terms of new transformed coordinates. That's why by using of this relation, what is the relation, sir? X is equal to X plus H, Y equal to Y plus K. So in this equation, original equation we are substituting small x is equal to capital X minus 1, small y equal to capital Y plus 2 we are substituting. The original equation will be converted to which one, is a transformed equation. Here in this equation we are substituting small x is equal to capital X minus 1. Capital X minus 1 whole square plus y square y square is equal small y is equal what is that capital Y plus 2 whole square plus 2 into x x is equal to capital X minus 1 minus 4 into y is equal to capital Y plus 2 here plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we substituted small x is equal to capital X minus 1, small y is equal to capital Y plus 2. Now we are simplifying this equation, we get the required transformed equation we are getting. X minus 1 whole square is equal to capital X square minus 2 into capital X plus 1. Here y plus 2 whole square, capital Y square, 2 into 2y, that is nothing but 4y, 2 square is equal to 4. Okay now? 2 into x, 2 into capital X minus 2, minus 4 into y, minus 4y, minus 4 into plus 2, minus 8 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we are simplifying this one. Here minus 2x plus 2x cancel. Plus 4y minus 4y also cancel. Now we are simplifying this one. Here what is the remaining value, sir? Capital X square plus capital Y square. Here 1 plus 4, what is the value, sir? 5. Okay now? 1 plus 4, 5. So first we are writing plus value sum. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, what is the value? 6. Here 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 is equal to 0. Here capital X square plus capital Y square plus 6 minus 10 minus 4 is equal to 0. Capital X square plus capital Y square is equal to 4. Is the required transformed equation. Required transformed equation. Okay now? All of you write down this one carefully. Okay now? All of you write down carefully. See here next. There are two problems are there. This first problem completed. Now the second question. What is the second question, sir? 2x square plus y square. The second question. Here 2x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 0. So here same question. Origin shifted to which point, sir? Minus 1, 2 by the translation of axis. Find the transformed equation of the following. This first question completed. Now we are discussing second question. See here, first we are writing, all of you remember this one. So see the solution. Origin shifted point. Okay now? Origin shifted point. That is nothing but minus 1, 2. Origin shifted point is minus 1, 2. That is nothing but which one, sir? H comma k. Here given original equation. Given original equation. Okay now? What is our given original equation, sir? 2x square plus y square. Here minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 0. This is the equation 1. 2x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y equal to 0 is the equation 1. That is the given original equation. So this given original equations, this original equation we are converting into transformed equation. Okay now? Here what are the transformed variables, sir? Capital X comma capital Y. Capital X comma capital Y are the transformed coordinates. Transformed coordinates of which one, sir? Small x comma small y. Here we know that the relation between the new coordinate system and old coordinate system. We know that which ones are what we know. Small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus km. Small x is equal to capital X plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k. but here h comma k is equal to minus 1 comma 2 is there. Small x is equal to capital X plus h is equal to minus 1. Small x is equal to capital X minus 1. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k amma. Capital Y plus k. K is equal to what is the value amma? 2. Okay na? So now in the given equation we are substituting small x is equal to capital X minus 1. Small y is equal to capital Y plus 2 substituting in equation 1. We get our required transformed equation. Substituting which one sir? Small x is equal to capital X minus 1. Small y is equal to capital Y plus 2 in equation 1. We get which one sir? Transformed equation. Original equation we are converting into transformed equation. Okay na? So we are substituting in which equations are equation 1. 2 into x square. X is equal to capital X minus 1 whole square plus y square capital Y plus 2 whole square. Okay na? Minus 4 into x x is equal to capital X minus 1 plus 4y 4 into y. Y is equal to capital Y plus 2 is equal to 0. Here 2 into what is there? X minus 1 whole square plus y square capital Y plus 2 whole square minus 4 into x is equal to capital X minus 1 4 into y. Y is equal to capital Y plus 2 is equal to 0. Here 2 into, now we are simplifying this one, x minus 1 whole square capital X square minus 2x plus 1 plus y plus 2 whole square capital Y square 2ab 2y into 2 4y plus 2 square is equal to 4 here minus 4 into x minus 4x minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 here plus 4 into y 4y 4 into 2 what is the value 8 is equal to 0. Now we are simplifying this one. This 2 value multiply into inside 2 into capital X square 2x square 2 into minus 2x minus 4x plus 2 into 1 2 here capital Y square plus 4y plus 4 here minus 4x plus 4 plus 4 into capital Y plus 8 is equal to 0. Here observe this one. There is any value or cancel? Not cancel. Here. Here x square terms how many are there? Only one x square term is there. Only one y square term is there. Okay na? Here observe this one. Here 2x square 2x square plus what is there? Capital Y square. Here minus 4x minus 4x. What is the value? Minus 4x minus 4x minus 8x. Next y terms 4y plus 4y 4y plus 4y. What is the value? 8y. Okay na? 4y plus 4y 8y. Now we are writing constant value. 2 plus 4 6 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 8 18. Here observe this one. 2 plus 4 6 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 8 18 is equal to 0. This is the required transformed equation. Is the required transformed equation. Okay, all of you write down carefully. This fourth question completed. First one, second one, both are completed. Write down carefully. See the next question. The point to which the origin is shifted and transformed equations are given below. Find the original equation. The given equations are which ones are? Original equations. Okay na? So sorry, see here. Transformed equations are given. We are finding which ones are? Find the original equation. Given equations are transformed equations. Now we are finding the given equations are which ones are? Transformed equations. Now we are finding which ones are? Original equations we are finding. In previous problem, original equations is given. We find out which ones are transformed equation. Now we are finding which ones are original equations. Given equations are transformed equations. So here what is given, sir? Origin shifted point is given transformed equation is given. This is the origin shifted point, this is transformed equation. Actually capital X comma capital Y are the transformed variables. First we are changing that term sum. There are two problems are there. See here 3 comma minus 4 x square plus y square is equal to 4. So do the first problem homework. I am saying the second problem. Here second one, what is this, sir? Here minus 1 comma 2. Here x square plus 2y square plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay now. Here origin shifted point. Origin shifted point. What is the origin shifted point, sir? Minus 1 comma 2 is the origin shifted point. That is nothing but h comma k. Observe the question carefully. What is the given equation? Transformed equation or original equation? That is first we are identifying. What we want, that is also we are identifying. So the point to which the origin is shifted and transformed equations are given below. That's why clearly these are the transformed equations. Find the original equation. We are finding original equation. Okay, now given equations are transformed equation. We are finding original equations. What are the transformed variables, sir? Capital X comma capital Y are the transformed variables. Small x comma small y are the original variables. Small x comma small y are the original coordinates. Original coordinates of which one, sir? Capital X comma capital Y. These are transformed coordinates. These are which one, sir? Original coordinates. Okay now. See here. Given transformed equation is given transformed equation. What are the transformed variables? Capital X comma capital Y. That's why this our equation we are writing capital X term sum. Transformed equation is there. That's why we are writing capital X square plus 2 into capital Y square plus 16 is equal to 0. This is the transformed variables. This is the transformed equation. So we know the relation between the new coordinate system and old coordinate system. We know which ones are. Small x is equal to capital X plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y plus km. Okay na? Here this transformed variables we are converting into original variables. So here we are writing h comma k value. Small x is equal to capital X plus hm. H is equal to what is there? Minus 1. Small y is equal to capital Y plus km. K is equal to what is the value, sir? 2. So we are expressing this transformed variable into original variable. Therefore capital X is equal to small x plus 1. Capital minus 1 we are taking left side plus 1. Capital X is equal to small x plus 1. Capital Y is equal to small y minus 2. Capital Y is equal to small y minus 2. Substituting which one, sir? Capital X is equal to small x plus 1. Capital Y is equal to small y minus 2. In equation 1, we get which one, sir? Original equation. We get original equation. Okay now? Capital X is equal to x plus 1. Capital Y is equal to y minus 2. We are substituting in equation 1. We get the original equation. Okay now? So observe this one. Capital X is equal to what we are writing, sir? X plus 1. X plus 1 whole square plus 2 into y square. Small y minus 2 whole square plus 16 is equal to 0. Now we are simplifying this one. Capital X square plus 2 into y minus 2 whole square plus 16 equal to 0. X plus 1 whole square, x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 2 into y minus 2 whole square, y square minus 4y plus 4 plus 16 is equal to 0. Here x square plus 2x plus 1, 2 into y square, what is the value? 2y square, 2 into minus 4, minus 8y, 2 into 4, what is the value? 8 plus 16 is equal to 0. Here we can write x square plus 2y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 2x minus 8y. Here 1 plus 8, 9 amma. 9 plus 16, 16 plus 9, which one sir? 25. Okay, now 16 plus 9, 25 is equal to 0. This is the required original equation of x square plus 2y square plus 2x minus 8y. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 16, 25 is the required original equation. Here what I am observing, sir, our equation is transformed equation, but in our question capital X comma capital Y is not given. So just we have taken, that is our equation is transformed equation. That's all we have taken capital X comma capital Y. So in our question, but not there capital X comma capital Y. Okay, now observe, this is the indication. In our question, what is given? Transformed equation or original equation? If there is original equation there, we are writing as small x comma small y. If the given equation is transformed equation, we are writing capital X comma capital Y. Okay, now. So this is the transformed equation. The transformed equation is we are converting into which one, sir? Original equation. This is the transformed equation. This transformed equation we are converting into original equation. Okay, now. All of you write on this one. Okay, all of you write down carefully. Must and should maintain the fair notebook, dear students. Okay, now. Next class will be continued tomorrow. Dear students, must and should maintain the fair notebook, all of you, for separate books for Maths A and Maths B. Okay, write down this one.